Wanna know how to convert float into integer in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can just convert a float into an integer. It's a simple, small code I have written right here. You can just simply copy or modify it. So we're just going to go through how it works. So suppose we have a float. So we have created a float that is named f and it's 12.75f. So remember to add f value when you declare a float because it's necessary in order to know that it's a float and not a double. So next we declare int I as simply parenthesis int with f in it. If we cast it into an integer with int f, that is 12.75, it truncates the decimal part and gives us 12. This is different from rounding, as it just cuts off the fractional part. Typecasting is important in Java when you want to convert data type safely. It's a common operation when dealing with arithmetic groups or inputs where you need integers instead of floats. It's super simple but really useful. And that's it, super simple and easy. This is how you just simply convert it. I'm just going to show you by running the code, and there you go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.